I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. Independence Day is just a few weeks away. So I wanted to share a couple of things that I crocheted. Perhaps you saw the video that I put on last week for star granny squares. Well, they were in red, white, and blue, and it kind of got me in a little bit of a patriotic mood. And these are the ones that I'm talking about. Okay. Now there's a few different options that you can actually do with these. I mean, you can put them side by side and join them by the corners and hang them as a banner. You could join all four of them into a square and have it as a placemat, or you can just use them individually for coasters for the holiday. I mean, that's just a few ideas. If you haven't watched the tutorial on this, I'll go ahead and I will put the link in the description box below in case you do decide that you want to make these. And then I went ahead and I made this banner. Now I don't have a pattern for this. It is simply crocheting. You're chaining 4 or 5 and you are slip stitching to form a ring, and then 12 double crochets. The second row is a 2 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet increase, and you do that in every one of the stitches in the ring. The third row is a 2 double crochet increase, then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then an increase, and you continue that. And then so on and so forth, just continuing with, okay, so the next row would be 3 double crochets and then an increase. The next row would be 4 double crochets and then an increase. And then every other row is in the back loop only, giving that little bit of a ridged look. And then for the border, is just a 4 double crochet shell. It's really simple. And if you are an advanced crocheter, then you'll know what I'm talking about. And unfortunately, I don't have a pattern for this. I just wanted to share with you what I had crocheted. I'm going to put it on my door for the holidays, be a little festive. And for the rest of the video, I am repurposing a video that I had on last year for Independence Day with several different ideas that you can crochet for the holiday. So let's go ahead and watch that video. And then at the end of the video, comment below, please, and let me know what it is that you decided to make for Independence Day. And if it's different than any of those that I shared with you, then throw that idea in so that I can share it in next year's video. All right, let's go ahead and watch that repurposed video. I have 10 quick and easy last minute crochet ideas that I want to share with you today that you can crochet for the 4th of July, Independence Day. So each one of these crochet projects, I was researching on YouTube and I found tutorials for each one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link that tutorial link in the description box below. So the first one that I have on the list for a quick and easy last minute crochet project is if you don't know what to wear to the parade or to the festivities, there is this really cute bandana that you can just whip up and throw it on, and it is so cute and will go with any outfit. You will be sure to fit right in with all of the Independence Day festivities. And the second one is really, really cute. If you have a baby that you are taking to that parade and you want her to get all festive too, this cute little headband is absolutely adorable that you can just slip on your baby's head and off to the parade you go, and you both will look really festive, and it's just so cute. The third, if you don't want to wear the bandana, is you can make this adult headband for yourself so that you and your baby both have a headband to wear. And this is really cute because it looks like the American flag. I really like it. And if your child is a little bit older and isn't a baby for a baby headband, then you can make a smaller version of this headband for your child and you can be matching. It's really fun and it's cute. All right, so you are having a 4th of July barbecue or family gathering. These really cute cup cozies. You can make a whole slew of them in no time and pass them out for your guests to just slip on their drink, or just make one for yourself to slip on your drink to go wherever it is that you're going. For yourself or a gift, it's a really awesome idea for the 4th of July. And then we have these cute little coasters that you can decorate your 4th of July table with. You can decorate your picnic table with. One is this really cute flower coaster, and the other is this heart coaster. And they are both in the very festive red, white, and blue colors. And it would just make a really cute addition to decorate your table. And then we are on the 7th quick and easy last minute crochet idea. Again, is another decoration, and this is a bunting flag. And I really like this, and I think that I'm going to go ahead and I am going to crochet one for my apartment. And I think I'm just going to drape it across the 2 front windows in my living room just to make it a little bit more fun and festive in my apartment. And this looks like it's going to be really, really quick and easy to make. Do you have those glass rose bowls that you can just put all kinds of different things in? You can either take a real rose that you had from a bouquet and just snip it at the bud and place it in the glass bowl, or you can fill it with aquarium rocks. I mean, there's so many things that you can do in these rose bowls. One of those things that you can do if you want to decorate your home or use for a centerpiece is this beautiful red, white, and blue patriotic rose that you can crochet really quick and put inside this glass rose bowl. I mean, this rose is just so pretty and so perfect for the holiday. This is a cute little decoration. This is just a little top hat, and you can just make it just to place anywhere as just a cute added decoration, and it just shows, gives a little bit of symbol of America's Uncle Sam. And then sometimes, depending on where you're located, Independence Day can be a little windy or a little chilly, and you need that little extra something on your head to keep your head warm, because if your head's cold, the rest of you is cold. If your head's warm, then the rest of you is a little bit warmer. So how about this bucket hat? This is a really cute American flag bucket hat that looks like it's really, really easy to make. All right, so I'm going to run down these 10 really quick again, and I am going to give you the name of the channel, as well as I said that I was going to link every link in the description box below. Number 1 was the bandana, and that tutorial is put out by Crochet with Love. Number 2 was the baby headband, and that was put out by Jane Tanner Design. The adult headband was put out by Laura Cepeda, and she is, I think she's Spanish, but the tutorial is translated in English. And the American Flag Cup Cozy was put out by El Penglo Basin Fiber. The Flower Coaster and the USA Heart Coaster were both put out by Pora Pora Crochet. The Crochet Bunting Flag again was put out by Laura Cepeda, and another one by Pora Pora Crochet was number 8, the beautiful American Rose. And then number 9, the patriotic top hat, was put out by Katie Cooks and Crafts. And then number 10, the American flag bucket hat, was put out by Diving Ducks Crochet. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, bye.